Sandingan we learn and grow. Knowledge and values we hold. We strive to be strong and united on the path to progress. Sandingan National High School, home of knowledge and hope. We stand united hand in hand. Sandingan National High will succeed. Our teachers guide us on our way, in learning and growing each day. We aim to be wise and meaningful and make a difference. Sandingan National High School, home of knowledge and hope. We stand united and hand in hand. Sandingan National High will succeed. We'll be leaders of our nation, serving others with dedication. We strive to be strong and united in serving our fellow men.